Good, my royalty family, back at it again with another video. So go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and comment and subscribe to the channel. This channel is about cars, lifestyle behind cars, car education, car knowledge, car entertainment. So if you're into stuff like that, feel free to stick around and browse the content that I do have on the channel, because I got some educational pieces for the viewers, for people out there who are in the car market, stuff like that. So today we'll be talking about that as well. So this is going to be a short video. Just want to basically, for the people out there who might find this or maybe are in the market, obviously, hopefully this video helps. So if you haven't known, I'm in the market for a new car, but the thing is, price of cars right now for new cars or lower mileage cars are tend to be out of the roof right now. So I'm looking for either between the 75 to 80,000 to 125 range of miles on a car. That's what I'm looking for. So I found information to ease my mind and take less stress off of me. So when I do take that risk, I will go for it. So you know, a lot of people out there are probably shying away from lower mileage cars and going after high mileage cars because it tend to be more affordable for the buyer. So guys, I found this article, which I'm gonna put in the description below. It talks about buying vehicles with high mileage right now. So these are some of the key points that I'm gonna just provide y'all. So a lot of people probably understanding, like, what does more mileage mean for your vehicle's life? Today's engine, today's technology, cars are produced and their lifespan has been extended, where some cars can actually last up to 300,000 miles. So you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to the mileage of the car. And obviously higher mileage of the car don't mean that it's better than the car with lower mileage. It means that the car just been around a lot longer, or maybe someone actually utilized it for the best capabilities of what you can really do. So the car's life isn't determined by the miles driven. The miles is just an indicator for the vehicle condition. Told y'all I'm a little slow. Theoretically, a vehicle that is covered more miles have more wear and tear, but a car with 60,000 miles on the odometer can easily be its worse shape than one of the 120,000 mile cars. Cars and trucks like to be driven. Parts that don't get regular use can become brittle, break more easily, and a low mileage car that hasn't had regular maintenance can see more problems down the line. Overall, high mileage vehicles that is driven frequently and has been well maintained will be more reliable. So even though you find a car with a lot of high mileage, look at the history on the maintenance, because the maintenance is the big piece here. So if you get a high mileage car, you have to keep it maintained. You have to keep it maintained. This is something you probably already know, but hopefully this obviously helped. Like I said, modern day technology means longer vehicle lifespan. So just because you find a vehicle with 100,000 miles does not mean that it's coming to the end of its lifespan. It means it's just been utilized. The updated technology means cars run more reliable and when properly maintained, can go years without requiring major repairs and replacements. Like I said, maintenance. Then the last piece here before I end this video, maintenance is key. Again, I keep saying that maintenance. If you are in the market and you're looking for anything of the 80,000 up in miles on a vehicle, no matter what the year is, maintenance is key. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping a vehicle running. Check owner's manuals for suggested maintenance schedules and stick to it. I know my girlfriend, her Mercedes, is a newer model car, 2021. So the car actually tells us when to get maintenance. We don't look at the manual, but if you have an older model car, a lot of the manuals do come with instructions and maintenance requirements or maintenance recommendations for you. So if you are in the market for a high mileage vehicle, there's a lot right now due to not a lot of new cars being available, but a lot of used cars. And then used cars pretty much have high mileage. But other than that, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this piece. Hopefully you learned something here today. So if you learned anything, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're into car education. But other than that, guys, support, and it's free 99 and it don't cost you a dime. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.